Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Abylicious. It's been a while. I hope you guys are doing well during this crazy times that we live in. I wanted to come up here and do a quick review on this hair that I'm wearing. This is actually crochet. Okay, I know it looks realistic. This is what the hair looks like, but I'm going to take it down so you guys can see. That was my base pattern. As you can see, that's my base pattern. Usually I wear my hair in a side part. Now for some reason in the camera it's looking quite full, but in person this looks a lot thinner. I don't know, maybe you guys can see it, but I only used 4 packs. Twists are quite thin and I made my boxes too small. So I needed more hair for coverage. I think that's the reason why it just ended up looking weird. But anywho, I am in love with this, guys. The length is perfect. Usually I go for long hair. You guys know that. I usually go for like 22 inches or up. But this one is only 18 inches. So it comes up here. I am in love with the curly ends. It's just so flirty and dainty. Just suits me and my personality, okay? And these are so light, guys. You see this? It's so light. I didn't do a tutorial or anything like that because I recently did box braids crochet tutorial. And I literally just go to bed like this. I don't wrap it, nothing. Like I don't put my hair bonnet or anything because it comes off at night anyway. If you find the right type of crochet, like you can experiment with hairstyles easily. If you don't want to commit to dreadlocks, you can even get locks in crochet form and you can experiment with that. You can try box braids without the hassle. Like who has all day to be braiding? Anyway guys, that is it for this review. I just wanted to do a quick review because I haven't spoke to you guys in so long. With everything going on, I didn't know how to even come on this channel and just rumble about hair. I thought that would be too insensitive. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I will surely see you in the next video. Bye.